I'm back, but I think I uploaded the last video, so this will go on the next one. So I'm sitting down and I'm doing stuff online and I can't even remember what all I was working on. Stuff, just stuff. One of the things I started doing was I got the CLR and I sprayed all the little crevices of the chair. I went to the garage. I got one of the big, huge boxes I have left over from the couch that came in all these big boxes. And I have 2 large boxes that I have still saved. So I dragged one out of the garage, around the car, into the house, through the house, out the back patio, and stuck one of the rocking chairs on top of it so I could spray the CLR on it. And then I was going to scrub off the stuff. I didn't set my timer. I did set my timer for the dryer, which is where we're going right now. But as you can look outside, the sun is shining out there. Earlier, it was kind of overcast, and I thought there was going to be a rain, and then it was going to cool down a little bit. And by a little bit, I just mean going from the 90s to the 80s. But then after I looked up from my computer, I saw that it was like bright sunny again. Now, oh, look. Oh my gosh, why is it so foggy? Look. Look at it out there. Look. Do you see the puffiness that's, okay, so there's the dark clouds, which is ominous enough. But then do you see the dirt flying over there? Look at all the trash and everything. That's coming from the construction zone. It is like, it looks foggy outside. It's so dusty. It's from all the construction. Ooh, look at that sky. It's gonna pour. This is what it looks like in the backyard. This is what it looks like, what's coming. I'm closing the door though. That dust is blowing everywhere. Oh, I could feel it in my eyes when I was just stepping out there. My gosh, I'm glad my car's in the garage. Ooh, it's looking dusty in the backyard now. That dirt from the construction at the end of the road is blowing like crazy. We need rain. Come on, rain. I don't want to open this door now, but the fly is right here. Come on, go out, fly. Go open this up and all the dust is going to come in here. Come on, where'd that fly go? Where'd he go? He's been pestering me ever since. Where'd he go? Where is he? Come on. Come on, fly. I'm just like waving my arms randomly because I don't know where he is. Figures he's going to head that way, right? Don't they go towards the light? I got the lights off in here. Please tell me he went out. Oh, there he is. I see him. Where'd he go? He didn't go out yet. Did he go out now? Is he around here? The craziest thing I've ever done. Meanwhile, there's dust blowing everywhere and I have that door wide open. All right, that's it. We don't need to have a really dusty house. It's craziness. It is gonna storm. Remember that styrofoam we saw fly by? Ended up in the backyard. All right. I'm gonna hurry up. I gotta clean off that CLR before the rain comes. Okay, gotta go. Gotta take care of things. Look how dark my forehead is with this. I gotta go take a shower. Get the standing stuff off. Bye, friends. I think I got the fly out. Just in time. The darkness is coming from the front to the back, so it's still a little bit light back there, but this darkness is coming over. And look how dark it is in here. I don't know if you can really tell. Sometimes lighting is weird and it's dark for the middle of the day. It's like 1 o'clock. Oh, the trash that's blowing all around from that construction site. How much of it will end up in my backyard since it seems to like to collect it? Come on, let's have the skies open up and let the rains pour down. We need rain. We need rain. Save my water bill. Save my water bill. So I went out. The reason I saw that well, I mean, I kind of saw that it was getting dark anyway, but I went out on my front porch and that's when I like saw the puffy clouds and I'm like, oh, why are we like right in the middle of a deep dark cloud? And then I realized it's all the dust blowing. There's still like 20 guys standing on roofs over there. But on the front porch was my drawer, GE appliance. This, oh, the kitchen is so dark. Feels like nighttime. Is for in my refrigerator because this drawer, door drawer, well, it's not a drawer really, it's a carriage holder, I don't know. Anyway, it was broken. It was broken by my general contractor who used it to close the door rather than reaching around to close, which I get. If it's like wide open, you do have to step around to grab the handle because it's really wide here at the side. But he grabbed onto one of these to close it and it wasn't attached really well and it dropped on the ground and it ended up breaking and it wouldn't go back on. So Tacey ordered me a new one. And now I can go and throw away. This is what she ordered me. Well, we'll see. That's what she should have ordered me. But whatever she ordered me, it's going to fit in there. Whether it looks a little different or not, it'll be another container area in the door. Oh, look at my rug blowing up. Oh my gosh, my table blew over. That's insane. More trash from the construction site caught on my chair. Look at all the trash in the back. Look. Oh my gosh, that construction site. Any loose piece of paper or, well, that right there looks patriotic. That one right there. So it looks like it was a banner somebody had, like a patriotic flag. More styrofoam. Why does it swirl around and come on my patio? What's that all about? My chair's rocking. Maybe it'll just keep blowing and go on somebody else's patio eventually. There's some strong winds happening right now. Blowing up. That's a pretty heavy metal table, I'm telling you. That's nuts. Because my anchors are working to at least hold the corner down. And that corner's down. To see if that corner came up over here. And then looks like that corner may have come up too. All right. Oh, I already put the pole in. Already locked up for the night. Decided to get that trash. It's just sprinkling. Sprinkling. Oh, a little bit of rain. Okay. Okay. Oh gosh. Oh goodness. Okay. I'll throw the trash away for them. Look back there in the, you may not be able to see all the white pieces in there. We'll see what it looks like by the end. All right, Storm, do your thing. Water my grass. That cardboard there on the floor is what I had underneath my chair. I did go and spray some more CLR on some of the spots that looked stubborn. And I was gonna get, I'm almost positive I have like a wire brush and I'm trying to think what I used it for. Maybe it was the Nashville sign. Oh, the rain's coming down now. Nice. Maybe it was a Nashville sign, I'm not sure. But I didn't have time to go get it before the storm hit. Oh, look at that big piece of cardboard on the sidewalk over there. There's a bottle in my front yard. You probably can't tell from here what that is. There's a bottle of, looks like a glass bottle, might be plastic. Could be a big plastic water bottle. Oh my gosh, the trash that's blowing all around. Well, the workers aren't on the roof anymore. Oh, down the street, there's a huge piece, you might not be able to see it, of cardboard. It's blowing down. Oh, the mess that will be our yards after this is all over. That's okay. It's okay. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain. Let the light come in. Can you hear? Oh, there goes the cardboard I was telling you about. Blowing down the street. Ay, ay, ay. Right, it's gonna go into my backyard. There's like a wind tunnel right here that the trash comes down and it makes a hard right turn and goes between me and C's units into our backyard. Yeah, I do believe the workers are done for at least an hour. I'm sure they were told, go take lunch. All right, I'm gonna go take a shower and get my clothes out of the dryer and put the clothes in the washer in the dryer. And I think that's it for today, so just wanted to share the update with you. Oh, my wreath fell off my door. Oh my gosh. I don't want that to blow in the backyard. Bring that in. Holy Toledo. I wonder if there's a tornado warning. My flower boxes are still hanging out. The carpet's coming up a little bit, but try to step on it, push it down. I kind of pulled it up anyway and moved the boxes back because there was mulch underneath it and I could feel it when I stepped on it. Even with my shoes, I could feel all those bumps. And I didn't like it. There's still more. I really need to just take it off and sweep it really good. Okay, at least the big bumps are gone. Okay, that's enough of that. Home improvement, done. Laundry, shower, check. Here we go. Y'all have a great day. And I'm happy for everybody this is happening today and not on the 4th of July. Have a good one, everybody. Bye-bye. Plan B. I just heard a bunch of sirens going down the road and I'm like, oh, there must be power lines down somewhere. Somebody's losing their power. Took my clothes out of the dryer. Put my clothes from the washer into the dryer. It's not starting. I'm thinking it's the way that I was messing with the knobs. No. We have no power. So, I will, might have to wash those clothes again if they get funky smelling. I guess I'll take them out of the dryer and just kind of lay them out and hang them over hard surfaces like counters. And hopefully they can get the electricity repaired soon. Or this. That's not working. What is that noise? Do you hear that? It sounds like a wow. Let me open the windows. Oh, the sign that blew down here that was by in front of Jay's yard is the sign that has all the lots listed when they put a red and it says like A, B, C, D, E in front of each group of units. And then each time one sells, they have a big red sold on each of the blocks. It's, I'll show you. It's on the ground. There it is. All sold. All right, I don't know what that warbling sound was that I just heard, but you can get light in here. Let there be light. I never open my closet windows because I don't like the sun bleaching my clothes, but hopefully electricity will. Oh, there's a little boy across the street. He's like going and retrieving cardboard that's in the sidewalk. Okay, well, now's the perfect time to take a shower because you don't need electricity for shower, right? Like, my hair's not going to look great afterwards, but I mean, it doesn't look great today either. So there's that. All right. It's too dark here for me to keep vlogging, so I'm just going to get these clothes out of the washing machine now and spread them out so that maybe they don't get musty and we can save them and not do another load of laundry. Okay. This is very creepy, weird weather. This is very much like pre-tornado weather. I probably shouldn't be on the second floor. But maybe that warbling sound I heard was like a siren. Although usually the sirens are so loud you can't not hear them. So that would be sad if that was Gallatin's tornado siren warning. Because I'm like, what's that warble sound? It sounds like it's like I had a cell phone that was playing a podcast, but it got stuck underneath a pillow in a distant room. So it was like, sort of like the Peanuts, the teacher on Snoopy. Kind of what I was hearing. All right, I gotta go. Let me get my clothes. Ooh, I hear thunder. Let it rain. I'm okay with the rain. I prefer that it happen now and not later at night. I have my sconces. Battery powered. I can sit in the bathroom. Downstairs, battery powered sconces. I've never recharged these though. I was thinking about that the other day. Like, I wonder how much longer before these batteries are gonna need to be recharged. I should have just done it then, and then I would know that I'd have them for the evening if I need them. Oh well. Nothing I can do about it now. You have a great day. I hope you have power. Appreciate it. It's the little things in life. Electricity, internet. It's good. It's a good thing that we don't realize how dependent we are upon it. Have a great day. Bye, friends.